So I did a little something crazy this week. I sold 2 of my prime lenses and I bought this 24-105 2.8 hybrid zoom. Before anyone panics in the comments, I want to be clear about one thing. I still love shooting with primes. They're actually my preferred choice, but I still sold my Canon RF 50 1.2 and my Canon RF 85 1.2 DS, and here's why. I already own several of the Canon RF 1.4L VCM series lenses, including the 20, the 24, and the 35 millimeters. Been shooting with those for like a year now, and I absolutely love them. They're amazing lenses, and I love the video features that they incorporate. Long term, I'll probably add the 50 and the 85 VCMs as well, as my goal is to move my entire kit towards hybrid lenses because I shoot both video and photos professionally. It's not many jobs that I'm doing just one or the other. This decision wasn't about ditching primes. It was about making a smarter, immediate investment. I use my RF 24-105 f4 pretty much all the time. I do have a couple complaints about this lens though, as it's an f4, so the bokeh isn't that great, and it's an external zooming lens, so whenever you zoom in and out, the barrel shoots out the end like this, which is a nightmare for working with matte boxes and or stabilization like gimbals and Steadicams, because as you're zooming, it throws off the balance of those. The 24-105 2.8 hybrid lens solves real-world workflow problems for me. The constant 2.8 gives amazing bokeh without having to constantly swap lenses, and the internal zoom means that when I zoom in and out with this lens, there's no balance shift or anything. So when using these on a gimbal, like, or my Steadicam rig with, like, let's say the DJI Focus Pro, you know, the gimbal doesn't lose balance and the rig doesn't get all wacky on you. Autofocus is also a lot smoother with this lens. It's a parfocal lens, so there's no change in focus as you zoom in and out. And there's also very non-existent focus breathing, which is amazing for video. This is part of the design of these hybrid lenses that allow you to shoot both photo and video without sacrificing quality. Honestly, this is going to be my workhorse lens, and I can't really see it ever coming off this camera unless I'm going to be shooting with primes. But when I'm out in the field and on location and I have no idea what focal length I'm going to need, what the lighting is going to be, this lens is going to get used way more than any of my single primes ever will. That's why this move made sense for me right now. If you're building a hybrid kit and you shoot both photo and video, I'd love to hear your approach. Are you still having, separate photo and video lenses, like having a handful of lenses just for your photography and then also cinema lenses just for your video? Or are you moving more towards like these new hybrid lenses that Canon is coming out with? Let me know in the comments, as I'd love to hear from you. So anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.